Nii. Nii, kõik on vist paigas. Mängu peaks olema kuulda. Mind on vist ka kuulda. Lähme. Mis me siis võtame? Võtame ikka mingi keskmise. Ma unustasin ära juba, kuidas mängida. Ma unustasin ära, kuidas hiirtki käes hoida. Siin on natuke alustatud, siis ma korra proovisin seda. No õhtust, tere! Tere! Ma võtan uue seivi. Mis mõttes? Tšau, Rasmus. Tark. Tere teile. Kadunud Miika jõudis ka tagasi. Olude sunnil pidin jääma kauemaks puhkusele.
Lead. Mission details are in. What have we got? Flag raised on a retrieval mission. 18 scientists and engineers. No comms, no morning check-in.
Aga alustame siis nüüd suurelt 07-ga kohe.
We need visuals and a status. That's one expensive wake-up call. Must be more to it than that. Let's see. Norwegian weather satellite picked up an unusual heat signature a couple of clicks off coast 2 hours ago. That's all I've got. What sort of retrieval are we talking about? That's classified. Can't sound right, little housing.
Aitäh Kaabakule, kes toetas. Oli tüüpiline algus. Kas teil on juba mäng läbi tehtud? Olete mänginud ise või olete juba vaadanud kellegi? Suhtub. No vaata see Hitman mulle meeldis. Hitman oli päris lahe. Ja kui ma õigesti aru sain, siis see pidi midagi taolist olema. Ja mina ei ole vaadanud kellegilt seda mängu spetsiaalselt, sellepärast et ma teadsin, et ma tahan ise mängida seda. Ja kui te olete juba ise seda mänginud või olete juba kusagil vaadanud, et siis kui ma väga hätta jään, et siis ma küsin abi. Aga palun ärge öelge ette. Hitmanist ja Uncharted mõlemad mängud olid tegelikult jumala head. No nii. Me peaks nagu pinnale minema, me uppume ära ju muidu. Oota. No nii. Raudselt oleme mingid ainukesed ellu jäänud. See meenutab mulle, teate mida praegu lõi praegu pähe seda Bioshocki. Ütlen kõik. konsool ka, mul on Xbox Series X, et ma saan, aga ma ei hakka sellepärast, et GTA-l ei ole isegi gameplay'd väljas. Lihtsalt mingisugused põhimõtteliselt piltide põhjal inimesed juba teevad mingisuguseid tellimusi, arvestades seda, et nad on seda mängu edasi lükanud juba päris mitu korda. Ei saa olla kindel, et nad novembris selle ikkagi välja lasevad. Ei usalda. Terviselt, mul on läpakas RTX 4080 ja Intel i9. Asuse läpakas Strix. Vajutan see. Nii, hakkab pihta. No eks näha ole. Mingi mõned päevad enne, kui teha see pre-order, kui sa tahad, kui sa teed pre-orderi just sellepärast, et saada neid mingisuguseid neid lisasid, mida nad pre-orderiga annavad. Et siis on ikkagi mõttekam mingi mõned päevad enne. Sellepärast, et, et siis on nagu rohkem kindel, et see ikkagi tuleb. Aga praegu see on, tüübid isegi ei viitsinud gameplay'd teha, millest me räägime. Nii. Nii, hiilime. Eks ta kindlasti tulemata ei jää, aga oodatud on ka juba liiga kaua. Ma alguses isegi ootasin, aga mida aeg edasi, seda nagu vähem ootad seda. Sest lükatakse edasi, siis jälle edasi. Nii, need on rukkided. No see on õpetus praegu, nagu ma aru saan. Seda küll. Aga ma arvan, et nad tulevad sellest ka välja kuidagi. Või siis nagu see Cyberpunk oli. Tuleb täiesti toores mäng lihtsalt.
It was an ambush. Both choppers down. Hostiles are organized and heavily armed.
Kui nii mõelda, siis jah. Kui nii palju ette oled ostnud.
We're taking control of this mission effective immediately. Are you injured?
I'll live.
Good, because we need your help. What's your name, soldier?
Bond.
Oh, you're not SAS.
They're crewmen.
In training. We'll have to make do. I need you to be our eyes and ears on site. Do you see a camp?
Tšauki.
No, but there's some light coming from the other side of the mountain.
That's it. Get
Ma ei tea,
there.
ma ei raatsi praegu. Kus sa oled omadega praegu?
Gotta find higher ground. Gotta be a way over there.
Travemündes. Kus see on? Äkki 2 aasta pärast alles PC-le. Kui nad üldse teevad seda arvutile. Ma usun, et väga vähesed arvutid veavad selle välja. Mis asja? Päriselt, miks? 50 000.
I'll check it out.
Oota, mitu koopiat ostis siis?
Are you sure you're up for this? Adrenaline can mask even significant
Äri
damage.
tegema.
Better keep those levels up then.
Kuidas ta hakkab müüma? Digiversioonid ei saa otsa saada. Mis selle mõte on? Vot seda ma mõtlengi. Digiversioon ei saa ju kuidagi otsa
What
saada.
is it?
Just taking in the view.
Tell me what you see.
It looks like the hostiles are heading back to the camp.
Tell me about them.
They're an
Oota, kas ma
international
ei
group,
pea tasakaalu
speaking
kuidagi
English but with
hoidma?
accents, capable and well organized.
Ei no vaata,
Ex-military.
PS5 on
Firearms
see,
are unfamiliar, I
et
guess.
no see on ikkagi
Special issue.
füüsiline asi.
That's good.
See võib poodides otsa
Keep your
saada.
eyes peeled.
Aga digitaalne mäng, ta ei saa ju sul poest otsa. No nendega kusjuures oligi ju vahepeal see, et neid ei olnud saada
Why
poes.
is MI6 getting involved here?
Xboxiga oli
The
täpselt
retrieval
sama.
camp has been compromised.
Vahepeal olid
How and by
otsas.
whom is what I need your help
Consolid.
figuring out.
Yeah, but why MI6?
That's classified.
Okay. Well, who's running the retrieval mission then?
Rain Kriis ja
Also
Mikk.
classified.
Oota, kas mind on
How can I
normaalselt
help if I don't know what's going
Mul
on?
TikTok
I'm
räägib,
doing
et ma peaks
exactly what I tell you.
tõstma
Yes, Mom.
heli. Kaabakas. Nunnu kaabakas. Tšauki. Ja suur aitäh sulle toetuse eest. Näed, 007. No puhkus läbi. Tegelikult pidi läbi olema juba nädal aega tagasi, aga juhtus nii, et üks hetk ei läinud auto lihtsalt käima ja läks garantiisse ja ma pidin jääma veel nädalaks Eestisse.
Have you located the camp?
Not yet. I hope I'll see it when I clear the top.
Ma ei mängi PvP-mänge, sellepärast, aitäh follow eest, sellepärast, et ma olen ülihalb nendes. Sellepärast, et kõik teised mängijad on palju osavamad kui mina ja mina oleks lihtsalt pidevalt seal surnud kummuli ja ma lihtsalt ei ronigi
What
sinna.
exactly?
Mina
Alien
teen
technology?
Not
storysid,
quite.
üritan
What then?
hakkama saama.
How long were you in the water for?
Damsel enne kui mina.
You're dodging the question.
And you're hypothermic. Get to the camp and find some warm clothes. I need you operational.
You and me both.
Vaata, kas ma pean ülevalt nüüd minema või alt? Kaabakas, sul oli 3 nädalat aega. Isegi mitte 2 nagu plaanitud oli alguses. 3. Sa mind mänguga toetasid, aga ise siis endale siis ei ostnudki. Aitäh sulle. Ma lähen üldse õiges suunas. Mulle tundub, et ma lähen kuidagi üles. Ma pidin ju alla minema, ei või?
Fingers are the first to go.
Kuidas muidu teie juuni läks?
In the cold.
Rääkige, mis te teinud olete?
Then nothing.
Right.
On keegi lõpetanud äkki mingi kooli midagi? Oi. Okei, ma sain alla.
I see some perimeter markers.
Good. You're close to the camp.
Ei midagi põnevat.
Fingers
Kuidas nii?
and toes. Water certainly doesn't help.
You're in water again.
Better than getting spotted.
Nii. Ma olen rohu sees, mind keegi ei näe.
Cold.
Esmaspäeval uuri kohta tööle. Mina ka tööle, aga vana kohta.
This one's armed.
They are all armed.
Thank you, MI6.
Saves us the trouble.
MI6 explosives. You're the ones running the retrieval mission.
Not officially.
And you set up a grid of high explosives covering the whole area.
It's a post-mission cleanup measure. Thermochemical sterilization. I didn't want you to get worried.
Chemical sterilization. What's to worry about?
Thermo.
Nii.
And it's quite safe. What's not,
Ooh,
however,
nice.
is used still out in the cold.
Saan
Yes.
midagi teha või? Ei saa.
I know.
Viis camp. Kas mul on mingi map ka või? Ahah. Mitte midagi mul ei ole. Me oleme ikka veel mingisuguses õpetuses.
There's a window here I could get through.
Aitäh teile, head inimesed, et jätsite mulle akna lahti. Just 18 minutit tagasi alustasime. See on alles õpetus. Me kukkusime kopteriga alla.
Parker.
Leidsime jope.
Stigosse. Dessi biodossana.
On tõesti see. Stisub see sekund.
Ta oskas keelt. Nagu Hitman.
You speak Serbian.
Montenegrin. Picked up a few phrases while mountain climbing there.
A man of hidden talents. Now, let's figure out who these hostiles are.
Already on it. I found a receipt in the jacket. Berlin Cafe, November 17th. Paid in cash.
Interesting. Keep it coming.
Counter-Strike ehk siis CS, see on lihtsalt põhimõtteliselt mapil 11 vastas tulistad lihtsalt 11. Kes ellu jääb, see võitis. Nii.
Someone's lying here. He's been shot.
Vitals?
No nii, peegeldus. On. Mingisugune halb. F.
He's dead. Foster. One of yours?
No way. He's
Senior
dead.
engineer. Keep going.
Ooh.
I
Nice.
found one of their guns.
What kind?
It's a TXK Biome. Serial's gone.
Discontinued. Also, it's biometrically locked.
Brilliant.
Ma käisin lasketiirus puhkuse aeg. Võta relv. Ma oskan ka tulistada nüüd. Lasin seda Dark, aita, see oli see blokk või? Glokk. Oli glokk või? Glockiga lasin vist lasketiirus.
A briefcase.
Dark oli või?
It's full of ashes.
One of ours.
Jep.
Self-ignites if open wrong.
Miks kukk? Välja saab või? Ei saa välja. Gert, aitäh followi eest. Tere. Siin ei ole midagi ju. Destroyed. Käin ka kajakate.
Heading into the camp now.
Don't draw attention to yourself.
Meil ei ole kajakaid. Kusjuures jaa, Soomes ei ole kajakaid. Miks Soomes kajakaid ei ole? No võib-olla täiesti mere ääres on, aga siin nagu lähiümbruses näiteks ma ei ela väga kaugele merest.
Com device.
Aga meil ei ole
Military
kajakaid
grade
siin.
layered encryption.
Hard to come by.
Lighter inscription. S. Popovich.
Good. Too common a name. Keep looking.
Miks sa endale midagi ei võta?
Patch. Red and white checkers.
In this context, could reference Croatia.
Jaa,
Torn grid
no
map.
täiesti mere ääres neid on jah, aga kuidagi kaugemale vaata nad sealt ei lähegi. Et näiteks juba, ma ei tea, seal kilomeeter kaugusel merest juba
Rocket
ei
launcher.
olegi neid väga.
Serial
Ainult täiesti
394
mere ääres.
KLB-211.
The launcher is part of a US shipment stolen in
See on
Algiers 9 years ago.
bazooka.
That was fast.
Keep digging. We're not
Ah,
done.
rocket launcher kirjutatud ju loelakas. Kajakad sisemaal on siis, kui tormer, ma ei tea, Mustamäel on neid pidevalt igal pool lihtsalt jalutanud seal.
What you doing?
I barely brushed that thing, and it started moving. Hey, you! Back this up for me. The boat's right there.
Mida sa tahad? Mul on ka mask nagu sul. Ma olen nüüd sinusugune. Kuidas ma
What are
saan?
you waiting for? Get
Ah.
this thing moving. Damn thing. Where's Jovan when you need him?
Wasn't up for it this time. Those
Eile
9
kui sa
million
nägid
did a
koju
German
lihtsalt
job.
piirlemas.
And that cleanup,
That was
Seal on
mess.
mingi vesi lähedal. Koju külas.
come on.
Üritan praegu oma
Check it out.
You've got this,
geograafia
right?
teadmisi
Good man.
sisse lülitada.
Some of them just mentioned a messy German job. 9 million lost.
Hang on. I know exactly who we're up against. A Balkan gang of thieves known as Arrowhead. Notorious for never leaving any witnesses. Listen, I'm going to ask you to enter the big central tent. But what you learn in there can never be mentioned to anyone.
Mis te teete?
Understood?
Mehed.
Heading there now.
I'm
On abi vaja.
serious, Bond. You haven't signed the Official Secrets Act. I need to hear you say that you
Watch it,
accept and
please.
acknowledge its
Stand.
Issand
ramifications.
jumal, nii
I
närvilised.
accept and acknowledge.
Oota, kas ma...
I know my plan.
Miks ma ei saa hiilida? Joosta? Ma ei saa joosta ka. Kuuled või? Mis teed? Aitäh followi eest. Tere tulemast. Sinna võib minna või? Tohib?
You! I need bodies over at the dig site.
Ise
Go
oled
on,
tikk.
get moving. We're tight on time here already.
Solvab ka veel. No nii, push.
Entering now. Any bombs I should know of?
None you should know of. No.
Ahah. Mingi tunnel. Midagi korjata siin ei ole vist.
So, lay it on me.
I can't. You're still on a need-to-know basis.
Figures.
Mission
yours,
Protocol Grey Envelope forbids any overwrite mention at this encryption level. I'll not discuss any specifics.
Nad ikka veel update ivad seda või? No siis nad ei jõua küll GTA 6-ga kaugele, kui nad GTA 5-ga tegelevad.
Do you see the object?
I'm afraid that's classified. What's that noise?
What?
Distortion. Oscillating. Door. Now it's gone.
No nii. Eritiimid. No ka võimalik, jah.
I'm looking at the thing now. Or what's left of it.
I need you to look for the OBC unit inside.
OBC. And that is?
Right.
OBC.
On-board
Ma ei tea,
computer.
kas peab meelde,
The
jah.
size of a shoebox, probably suspended in some shock-absorbent
See on
webbing.
tühi.
It's gone.
Damn. Have a look around the tent for it.
On it.
Op, tee lahti. Pole midagi. Mitte midagi ei saa korjata ka.
Whoa,
What is it?
that don't feel well.
Just keep looking.
Hea rääkida. Just keep looking. Kukun kokku varsti siukse tempoga.
Are you sure it's completely sealed?
Mul süda lööb juba, ma juba kuulen, ma hakkan ära surema.
Come on.
Someone's coming. They're wearing hazmat suits. Should I worry?
Give me a sec.
We got what we came for.
Oota, ma
Let's
jään
get the
vahele
hell
ju.
out of here. We get on the
yeah.
zap and in 3 weeks, strike gold in Brazil. Works for me. The others are preparing the final cleanup now. Never been to Brazil? First time. What's it like?
Lööme nokki lihtsalt.
Did you mention sound distortion before?
Yeah.
Nokki
I
ei saa
need
lüüa
you
või?
to do exactly as I say. Do you see the red door? Head
Yeah.
for it. Right now.
What?
Michael,
You need an
tšauki.
antidote.
Tere.
You've been exposed to a nerve agent.
Tšau, tšau. Aitäh päeva südamest.
What's this?
Decontamination.
Ma ei ole kindel, et ta aitab meid.
What exactly am I looking for?
A green box with a bright orange stripe. Probably tucked away somewhere.
Rahulikult, ära laamenda nüüd. Green box. Green box. Ma ei tea, tõmba kõik välja. Savi. Lihtsalt.
The hell is all this
First aid.
stuff?
Look, you need to find that antidote. Green box, orange stripe.
Siin ei ole siukest. Vaatasin kõik läbi. Kiiresti! Oo, leidis ta. Väga hea.
Which one?
What?
There's two of them.
The orange one. Do not
Yeah.
use the other one.
Tehke gameplay. Võlut? Ma pidin vajutama. Nüüd on küll pekkis. Antidooti otsisin, mitte õlut.
God,
Bond? You okay?
that might be pushing it. What next?
Have a little rest and then get to somewhere safe. You've done great. We'll have an extraction team pick you up in about an hour.
They still have that thing you're after and they're about to leave.
Yes.
Oota, mul on
And
ikka
we'll let
halb.
them. Thanks to you, we've been able
Vähemalt
to
elus.
deduce exactly who the buyer is, where they'll be meeting, and at what time. We'll intercept in a controlled environment with no risk to the asset. You just get out of the camp. Tight.
One of your crew's still alive. Hostiles have him. I don't fancy his chances. I'll follow. See what I can do.
You're in no state. They'll spot you and kill you. Remember who you're up against.
aga miks ma ei või need riided
Now we
tagasi
don't
võtta?
worry about me.
Mis nendega juhtus? Mul läks nii hästi, kui mul need riided seljas olid.
I'm taking this one to the others. G9 or B4? Doesn't matter. They're all inside the blaster. What's the point then? They're all going to die anyway.
They just shot him.
No witnesses.
I think some of the others are still alive, but the hostiles plan to blow up the place.
You need to get out of the blaster.
Oh, I need to save those people.
That is not your call. Stand down. That's an order. Listen carefully. You have less than 1% chance of success. Now stand down.
I'll take those odds.
Bond,
No nii.
Okay, James.
Bomb.
2 containers. B4 or G9. Which one's first?
Ma unustasin ära. Seal on üleval kirjas. B4. G9 on siin samas. Ja B4 on seal kaugel. Alustame G9-st.
Okay, no time to hesitate. Those people need my help.
Ja siis pärast saab äkki tagant kuidagi sinna minna. Nii. Mul on sinna vaja. Näed. Ma näen katusel juba seda
Container G9.
lahtist luuki.
That's where I'll find the captives.
Hüppab siit või? Ei! Ta ei hüppa või? Oota, ma tahan hüpata sinna. Seisa. Hüppa! Ta ei hüppa. Oota, aga... Ei, oota, mine tagasi. Ja mine siis siit alla. Siit alla saad või?
I'm backing out now, James. Need to find those captives.
Mine siit alla. Ja siit. Nii. Ja nüüd siit roni üles saad või? Oi! Davai. Valele poole tähtisid ju. X. Ahah. Aha. Pick up. Biometrically locked. Okei. Korras. Teda ei leita ka seal. Loodan. Nii. Locked from other side. Ikka ülevalt peab minema.
I wish we had some
Heavy
of this
duty.
gear and kit.
Just what I need.
Siit.
That bridge.
Do you want?
Tegelege.
Just stop it! Now! I don't know how to fly this thing!
Sisse see...
Shoot! Help me get our stuff out of the way!
Good girl. This should keep them busy.
Mul on ülesse vaja saada kuidagi. Minge mõlemad, jah? Minge.
Should be able to use that crevasse to avoid being spotted.
He's out. Still bleeding.
Okei, üks.
All right, the captives.
Teine
This
kiiresti.
old lady luck is on my side tonight.
Kiiresti! Olemas. Mehed maas. Nonii. Oi, blää.
What?
Näh sulle. Storage key. Nii.
There you are.
Tšau, tüübid.
Thank God. Hey, listen. We don't have much time, and we need to get you out of here.
What's the plan?
Noh, mužuki,
Can't we just sit
hakkame
tight
minema.
and wait for the others to deal with the hostiles?
I'm all you've got.
Just one guy. We're so screwed.
Get a grip, Irv.
What about the others? We can't leave without them.
Others.
In B4, other side of the camp. They split us into groups.
Lähme siis.
They were really rough.
Teie meelitate need
I hope
minema.
they're okay.
Oota, me ei saa
Okay.
välja siit enam.
You need to
Lähme
stay
aknas.
put while I free them. Then run east on my signal.
What kind of signal?
Saab
You'll know
katki
when you
teha
see
või?
it.
Kui me seal
Godspeed.
ei saa katki teha. Okei, ei saanud lahti, seepärast, et oli see, pidi jutustama. Siit ei saa midagi. Pamm. Nii, nüüd meil on vaja pääseda teisele poole. Ma ei tea, kas me saame lihtsalt mööda hiilida kuidagi. Tere! Näe passivad seal midagi. Siit saab üles. Pamm. Pamm. Ja ei saa lahkuseks. Excuse-moi. Oo, aken. Liiga alla. No nii. Tere. Ja oot aega. Hea tööd.
Thank God you're finally here.
Listen, I already freed your friends.
Ole
We don't have much
maas.
time. The hostiles are planning to blow up the camp.
Oh God.
Too easy.
Oh God. Oh God.
They can't. That idiot was in charge of the detonator.
Still, these guys mean business. We need to go. Wait for my signal, then run
Issand,
east.
sul silm nii
What's the
sinine.
signal?
Any ideas?
If you topple the central mast, we'll all hear it. It's barely standing in this storm.
Suht naine.
Snap one of the wires, and I bet that'll be enough. Here, the detonator. You better take it.
Aitäh.
When it goes, you run east.
Towards the sunrise. Got it.
Minge nüüd.
Good luck.
Siit.
All right. Time to bring the house down. I should start things up a bit now. There's the signal.
Oodake mind. Ma tulen ka. Algus lasi vist, aga too easy kuidagi. Ai! Jõudsin. Mulle ei meeldi üldse need klõpsimised tegelikult.
doing? Come on! Run!
Over there! There's another way! Go! Keep moving! Watch out! Shit!
Oota, no vaatage. Nad keerasid. Keera õigesti.
Come on!
No okei, pole ka halb.
Follow me this way.
Let's
There's a
go.
way out.
Jookseme edasi. Hüpake!
Come on!
Savi hüppad!
Stop! I've got the detonator! Hold your fire!
Kõva mees. Kohe näitab
What is this
kõikidele.
now? You wanna blow us up
Yeah, thinking about it.
and destroy the asset? MI6 would never.
I'm not MI6.
Oota, aga kas mul on praegu valik seda teha? Et kui ma vajutan, et siis ta laseb õhku. Kui ma ei vajuta, kas ta siis ei lase õhku, kas siis kuidagi muutub see story või? Kas siin on võimalik, et story muutub või? Või siin ei ole nagu valikuid? Pane siin tikkud. Käes lendab õhku muidu. Et pigem vajutada, on ju. Davai. Oota, mis seal oli? Hiirt pidi vajutama, on ju. Wow. No vot, siukene huvitav mäng oli. Kuidas meeldis? Is it real or is it fake? Your strength is your youth, just use it and follow the music play. Promise you'll läbi mängitud 100 korda. Ma ära jutustan, et 100. I'm surprised to see you running towards the sun like I'm up to a plane. See nii uus, et ma ei usu, et sa jõudsid juba 100 korda mängida. All the fates just watch you, trying just to know whether you'll play your life like the game. Oliver, aga kas siis on nagu mõtet mängida uuesti või? Kas on ikkagi midagi teistmoodi või mille pärast? Kas seal on mingi erinevused, kui sa uuesti läbi teed? Otsused teised. No siis ikka on otsused. ikka need valikud ikkagi loevad midagi. Sind lastakse maha veel veidi. On oht. Väga suur oht. Et päris mitu korda meid lastakse maha ja siis me peame uuesti mängima. Jaa, meil lihtsalt tantsijad.
Do you have an appointment?
The name's Bond.
James Bond. He's with me.
You sound familiar.
Today's not about me. It's about you and the incident last month. Come on.
Your visitor's pass, Mr. Bond.
Thanks.
No nii. Ma olen mingi tähtis isik.
Where are you going?
Mis mõttes? Või see ei olnud mulle või? Ropp-versioon, tšauki.
Right.
No kui ma täiesti hätta jään, et siis ma küsin abi. Aga palun ärge ette öelge. Apollo kino.
Where were we? Gotta say, you're healing fast.
Then it was you.
Oota, ma tahan minna vaatama. Miks ma joosta ei saa? Ma tahan joosta. Vaatame pilte. Ma saan zoomida. Lae. Üks parimaid mänge. No vaatab. No seni on päris okei olnud. Suht lihtne oli neid tüüpe päästa seal nendest majakestest. Aga noh, see Hitmani esimesed missioonid olid ka lihtsad.
Come on, get in the lift.
See on täiesti algus, jah?
Anyhow, we're going upstairs. All the way to
No,
the
we
big
don't.
house. It's quite the stay.
Me lähme vaatame,
Go
kuidas
big or
seal
go home?
tüübid joovad kohvi. Mingi nohik oli seal. Oleks siis mida ragistada.
Yeah, or go big and
Siis ma küsin teie abi.
So I'm in trouble.
Did I say that? I wouldn't
Ei, aga
have.
muidu mõistatused mulle meeldivad.
Confidential.
Is this about me hanging up on you in Iceland?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
All right, if that's how you want it. Pleased to meet you. I'm James. And you are?
Infuriatingly secretive.
Moneypenny, can I grab you for a second?
No kui te olete jälginud minu neid mängimisi, siis eks mul need mõned pusled tulevad kergesti. Aga mõnikord me lihtsalt istume tunde ühes kohas, mis on kõik teised, ma ei tea, mingi poole tunniga läbi teinud.
So your name is Moneypenny. Does that come with a first name too?
Now let's not get carried away.
Let me get out of your way, sir.
Or at least tell me who I'm meeting.
You're here to see M.
M. Right. You're really enjoying
Kurat ei
this,
näe,
aren't
mis ta
you?
teeb.
And you're not?
Not particularly, no.
No smoking. Vaadake ja jätke meelde. Doremi, hello. Welcome.
Miss Ponsonby, James Bond here
Ciao.
to see M.
Thank you, Money.
Stool on.
Take a
Saan
seat.
istuda.
M will be ready
Kuhu?
shortly.
Take a seat. Take a seat ja siis kuskile, ma ei tea, teisele poole tuba lihtsalt istu maha. Mis gamer andmetega sul on? Kuplinov, yes, I do. Mis gamer andmetega? Mis mõttes, mis gamer andmetega? Who is M? Küsi.
No, I didn't get any meeting details for today. This M character is he
4080 ja i9 32 gigarammi.
And no.
Mul on läpakas. Rockstrix. Joo, Doremi, I know. I watched. I wanted to watch, but I like, wait. I saw he played that, but I wanted to watch it, but I didn't because I wanted to play myself.
disciplinary board?
She handles some of that too, yes.
Right.
Why I'm here?
I wonder if you know why I've been called here.
Everything you need to know
Yes,
will
I
be
do.
explained to you shortly.
Doremi. I speak English, Estonian, Russian, Finnish. You're very sensitive.
I must say, you're all taking this code of secrecy very seriously.
You do know what SIS stands for, don't you? I do enjoy a quiet office. Perhaps we can limit the small talk? I'm sure M will be with you shortly.
Yes.
Of
course.
Я из Эстонии. Lähed Maltale varsti,
Right away.
tahaks küll, jah.
M will see you now.
Marokko sobib ka. Marokko on ka päris hea. Ma ei ole käinud. Seega mulle sobib mõlemad.
Take a seat. So, Iceland. Air crewman in training, accidentally stumbling upon an MI6 operation of the utmost importance. Initially willing to assist, but then you hang up on us. Go against direct orders, and ultimately blow up the invaluable asset we were there to retrieve.
I wasn't aware I was under MI6 command, and I just chose not to take your advice. Mom.
Right, yes. Headstrong, kicked out of several conflicts, thrill-seeking, several disciplinary... here. Issues with authority.
I believe it's more a case of authority having issues with me. Look, I know where this is going. You can spare me the velvet gloves. Do you mind telling me why I'm here?
I would like you to join His Majesty's Secret Service. I want to make you a spy.
Järgmises mängus on ta Hitman.
What?
I want you to join my training
Kusjuures
program.
ma kunagi arvasin kogu aeg,
I have to warn you.
et 007 ja
It's unlikely you'll pass
Hitman on
the
üks ja
tests.
sama.
Should you make it, I have to inform you that agents have a very short life expectancy. Normal social life is near impossible. And if you do get caught, we will deny ever having heard of you. How does that sound?
What's the downside?
Money's terrible.
When do I start?
Now, Moneypenny's waiting for you outside. She'll run through the details. Yeah, put him through. You're dismissed.
filmi vaatan. Kusjuures filmimängudest rääkides, siis uus, mis tuli välja, Directive, see Dark Picturesi see uus mäng, mida me ka läbi tegime. Ma olen nii pettunud selles. Ma ootasin sealt ikka midagi palju paremat.
You're joining?
I am.
Makes the walk down a lot less awkward.
Money Bunny. Jep. Ciao, Money Bunny. Lähme.
You're in the program too.
Oota, Penny, mitte
Just got
Bunny.
assigned. I'll be the girl in the chair. Quite excited about it. I've been reading up on the double O's and I think the program deserves a reboot.
Oh, so it's a new thing then.
Miks ma Bunny ütlesin?
Well,
sa kirjutasid Penny ja siis ma lugesin Bunny.
So you have some catching up to do.
Ma rääkisin sellest Directivist, mis need numbrid olid seal, ma ei mäleta, aga see Dark Picturesi see uus osa. Directive midagi 8000.
Better get you up to speed. As I said, basic training and initial elimination rounds already concluded.
Ma olen lihtsalt nii pettunud sellest, kõik eelnevad mängud olid nii head.
All of them have excelled. Final exams are in 6 months. And you'll have to ace all of them to qualify for field duty.
Oli jumala
That's
hea.
assuming that Greenway lets you stay on for that long.
Isegi Devil in Me oli hea.
Training instructor.
Aga see uus
Missions above
oli
people
nagu...
and orders above principle sort of guy. Judging from your profile, I'm sure you'll get along splendidly. Anyway, I'm sending you to the MI6 training facility in Malta, where you'll be joining the other recruits. Your flight's waiting for you, so you better get a move on. Break a leg, James.
Nonii. Soojas.
John Greenway.
Lähme ujuma.
Yes. And you're late.
Issand jumal, nagu mina saaksin mõjutada seda lennukit. Huvitav, palju see neile maksma läks? Issa, vaata kui tühi ta on seest tegelikult.
That's the training
facility. See on päriselt ka seest nii tühjad sükst.
You're not here for sightseeing. In fact, shouldn't be here at all. The sooner you realize that, the better for both of us.
No sightseeing. Got it. About me being here, you'll have to take that up with them.
Already tried. She insists we give you a chance.
And I'll take it.
Yes, until you get bored or the work's too hard. I read your file. To do this, you need skill, discipline, and above all, dedication. Pure dumb luck will only get you so far.
Glad we got that covered.
Sir.
Tõuks lahti.
I like what you've done with the place. Adaptive reuse without compromising the historical heritage. Bit of a splurge on the defense budgets.
We live up to or surpass all requirements for an intelligence service.
Guess that's why I'm here. SAS is here too.
You really have a knack for stating the obvious.
I'm surprised. I didn't know they trained in Malta.
I expect the list of things you don't know is quite extensive. Come on, this way.
The Needless Eye, Malta. Ciao.
Step aside.
My fault. Didn't mean to.
Go around.
Sorry.
Back up.
I'm just trying to get through. Well, let's go. Don't want to get binned on my first
Nüüd on
day.
näpp või? Mis mul on? Mitte midagi ikka veel. Items. No items. Collectibles. Nothing. Oota, kas ma olen vahele jätnud kõik või siiamaani ei olegi midagi veel üles leidnud? Alles nüüd hakkab või? Opa. Mis te uurite siin? Teil on käes lihtsalt relvad. Vaihto. Turanfäeste. Miks ta soome keeles kirjutab? Opa. Nägite, kuidas oskan? Ops.
Don't give Greenway the excuse he's looking for.
Tehke järgi. Ma tahan ka. Tule eest. Ma tahan ka.
Let's go and meet Greenway's chosen ones.
Seifidest saab ka asju.
Everyone!
Saab kakelda.
Meet our new star air crewman Bond. So capable he could skip basic training. He'll now demonstrate his superior close combat skills. Monroe, will you do the honors?
Love to, sir.
Saab muud. See on tavaline.
Okay. Show me what you got.
No davai.
Wonder why he's allowed to join now.
Näh sulle. Oskan jalaga ka veel. Ajaa! See ei ole aus!
Wake up, Mr. Air Crewman.
Okay.
Oota, ma saan vihaseks kohe. Mitte praegu veel.
So,
Mitte praegu,
perhaps
natuke
some
hiljem.
basic training might still be needed. Cressida, Monroe, is top of the class. I task you with bringing him up to speed.
But sir,
He gets 2 weeks to pass basics.
we still have to study for social engineering.
Well, consider it a challenge, Cressida. You like those. You know what? I'll up this 1 notch. If he fails, I take 2 credits from both of you.
Can't be serious. You know, I do love a challenge.
Respectfully, sir.
Ma lihtsalt ei tahtnud teile haiget teha.
Time.
Ma annan lõuga talle vist. Ma ei tema mulle. Raudselt ma hakkan temaga kaklema. Raudselt on tema see, kes hakkab mind õpetama.
So yesterday was fun.
Listen, I don't know who the hell is playing favors for you. Obviously someone up high, but you won't get any from me. Better candidates would cut, and as far as I'm concerned, you should only be here if you've earned it.
Well, you and Greenway both.
Kuhu me lähme? Peksa tahad või?
Boys,
Cressida's our top driver. She'll take you through the drill.
learn from the best, as they say.
And you better learn fast.
Care to explain the car?
06 DBS, a classic. Seen some real-life action too back in her day. Still a gorgeous drive.
Bet.
Go on then, get in. Do a lap around the island, get a feel for her. Fast as you please. No speed
Mis
limits
auto on
here.
üldse?
I'll come along, show you the course and give you a few pointers.
Mis auto see on? Ma ei saa aru.
Don't crash.
Get in.
Aston Martin või? Jah.
Get in. Let's see what you're made of.
Let's do
Tulen,
this.
tulen. Kohe näed, kuidas hästi ma sõidan.
Go, go, go!
Wow.
If you want to prove Monroe wrong, you need to up the game. Slow down for the corners.
Ei ole mingit slow down.
Oh, that's a nice curve. Heard of steering?
Steering's a bit woolly.
Aga pange tähele, et auto ei lähe katki. Isegi kui vastu sõidab kuskile.
What a great set of wheels.
Nii palju raha ei olnud, et oleks võinud katki teha neid.
Try not to hit things.
Next time. Promise. Solid for a first run.
Not too shabby. Next time, let's see you go fast, please.
Mis mõttes ma olin jumala kiire?
Go! Get to the flag as fast as you can.
2 weeks. Come on.
Trying to get a move on? Well, that didn't take too long.
Hit 3 targets. Where you belong
here. Ma olen väga hea tulistaja, nägite. Ja te tahate, et ma mängiks PvP-sid. Ma olen Tekkenit mänginud, ma oskan. Näed sulle selja taga. Ei oodanud jah seda. Ajo.
You're not even trying, are you? You need to step up, Bond. Christ. Now, add an attack to that perfect power. You're not even trying, are you? You need to step up, Bond. Christ.
Ajo. No nii. Eitan šokki saate
Give me 100. 1, 2, 3.
Course requirement is 30 seconds or less. Get to the flag. You know the drill.
For the love of God, isn't that enough misery for one night?
Jõudsin!
Well done!
Nägid, kui kiire ma olen. Nii, peksa tahad jälle, jah? Aitäh follow eestumast, see okei. Tere tulemast. Anna mulle ka tulistada. Ma oskan.
Hit 3 targets.
1, 2, 3. Ma käisin lasketiirus, ma oskan. Tere, tere!
Be my best. You need to be confident, bold, and take chances.
Seal oli shortcut! Ai. Ma olen natukene seda storyt mänginud, Trialsit ei ole mänginud, aga ma olen näinud. Seal oli ka vist shortcut. Raudselt oli shortcut.
98. 99. 99.
Trials või story'd, Toomas? Tulista.
Out of ammo.
Said, jah?
Hold on. You two, get in the ring.
Okay, let's do this.
Really, Monroe?
Ma unustasin ära. Ma lihtsalt vajutan kõiki nuppe järjest. Nagu Tekkenis kombeks. Jaa, täpselt, Trialsid peab tiimiga mängima. Üksi on raske ka. Seal on mõned sellised kohad, kus peab tegema nagu koostööd. Ma olen vaadanud. Miks ei saa? Mis tegema peab? Jalga peab istama.
Deal with it, brother. Took his weapon! Get out of the way!
G. Relvaga näkku.
Not bad, James. Not bad at all.
Bam. Minu arust ma tegin väga kiiresti. Ma olen valmis.
Where?
Bond, you didn't.
Know what to do. I didn't want to be rude.
Okay. Aircrew, you're up. If you're serious about earning your place,
Insane
let's
mode
go.
on päris
No.
jõhker.
Any dating horror stories you care to share? You look like a man who's had a few.
You think this is a joke? Take it easy, mate.
Fake surrender, davai.
Well, I thought you knew. I don't have to earn this. I can just get by on blind luck, right?
Who needs luck when you've got the old boy
Ja nüüd
network
annab
on your
eksa.
side?
Ha.
What do you say, mate? Call it a day?
Okay. No more takeoff!
Oh yeah.
Yeah! Fumbles it is!
Ma õppisin kaklema, sa saad peksa. Nii kaugel.
If you had half a clue, you might actually be dangerous!
How did you even get here?
Vajutan puudu.
Mommy and Daddy pull some strings.
L shift. Jäi keldrisse. Said jah. Telling. Oi. Family Guy'd olete vaadanud? Seal on see kukega see kaklemine. See on millegipärast tuli praegu meelde. Täpselt sama. Kaklen ka kukega praegu siin. Ma olen Outlasti üks kord vist olen proovinud, aga ma ei tea, kas ma ta päris lõpuni läbi tegin.
Just can't help yourself, can you? I, for one, won't be sorry when you're gone.
Sir, this is on me.
I decided to take the sparring outside of the ring.
Things might have gotten slightly out of hand.
Don't take the blame for him,
Ma ei
Monroe.
mäleta, mis selle
Honestly,
nimi.
sir,
Tal oli nimi ka.
He's cleared his close combat requirements. I just really wanted to test him. See what he's got. If that was out of line, I apologize.
I expected better from you. And Monroe, if you want this mess, clean it up. Alone.
Päris palju on koristada.
You passed basic training, congratulations. However, there is also the matter of your performance review. Bond is immature and reckless, guided by his gut feelings and mistaken ideas of loyalty. He's a bad influence on the other recruits who inexplicably fall victim to his charm. Greenway recommends that I cut you from the program.
Not exactly a surprise. It's been a pleasure, Mom.
I want to show you something. Come.
No, mis sa head näitad?
Neat trick.
Yes, I rather enjoy it myself.
What's down there?
You'll see, but first, let me give you some context. I've been heading MI6 for 14 months now. Tell me, how many terror attacks have we had on British soil in that period?
As far as I know, none.
Dead agents, blown covers?
I wouldn't know, Mom.
Also none. How about the number of prevented or secretly resolved conflicts? Countless.
Liiga rasked küsimused.
This way.
Oho.
I need to check your clearance, sir.
He's with me, there's no need.
Ma.
Oota, ma tahan näha, mis ta teeb siin. Mis teed? Ära vaata mind sihukese näoga. Näita. Issand jumal. Sul närtsib lill ära lollakas.
Never before have we had a success rate like now. Never before the precision, safety, intel quality and conflict resolution to such high standards. Unprecedented and unrivaled by anyone else in the intelligence community.
Mingi seif või? Mis sul on seal head? Ossa. Mis asi see on? Kas on kuskil... No maa all, jah? Tõenäoliselt.
This is the reason for our success. Meet Thea, the world's first and only second-generation quantum computer.
I thought those things were theoretical at best.
That's what we want you to think. Thea synthesizes millions of data streams instantaneously to make statistical deductions on matters of national security. The system's all but wiped the floor with GCHQ. Since its activation, we've saved more lives, thwarted more attacks, lost fewer people. That was Thea, in Iceland, in case you were wondering, guiding you every step of the way.
And yet it was wrong.
Thea gave you a less than 1% chance of success. You simply beat the odds.
I didn't realize those were actual odds.
Still, you proved an important point of mine. You see, I strongly believe that there is still a need for such human flourishes as heart and intuition in modern spycraft. In fact, that's the very reason I'm bringing back the Double O's.
Oh, I heard you were cleared for advanced training.
Kusjuures ei ole isegi vaadanud, kui pikk see mäng peaks nagu olema.
You did an impossible thing. I would like you to do it again.
And if I can't?
Well, then I don't have much use for you, do I?
Õpetus oli juba hästi pikk. Ja see on nagu siis
Now get the hell out of my
sissejuhatus.
Faraday cage.
Et me põhimõtteliselt ei ole mitte ühelegi missioonile veel jõudnud.
So, what's in Q-Lab?
Apart from Q, I wouldn't really
Üle
know where to
tunni aja
begin.
oleme mänginud juba.
You'll see.
ma arvan, et me väga ei
should
ole
work on that
jokutanud
infuriating
kusagil. No me
secretive
korra
side
ainult
of
vaatasime
yours.
ringi
No.
mõned kohad.
You don't think that I'm
Pildid,
hitting all of the
asjad ja-
marks? Well, how about this?
Aga
I'm
väga
sure
me
there'll be a
jokutanud ei
surprise
ole.
or two for you in there.
Tund 20 on
Bit over the top,
jooksnud.
perhaps.
You just wait and see.
Paar nädalat. Mis sees paar nädalat, kui iga päev 5-6 tundi, mis asja?
How about that?
Toomas, ilusad õhtut sulle ja suur aitäh sulle, et olid siin.
I'm sure Q's waiting for you. Oh, and Dr. Tan asked to see you as well. Look for a sign that says Taksim.
Should I position the flamethrower
Viitsib
next
keegi
to the exhaust
vaadata,
pipe or
et
beneath
how long is the gameplay, main gameplay.
Web Industries. They've come a long way since artillery cannons.
Flip. Oo. Mingi tuttav mees.
James Bond. Stand still.
I'm looking for someone called Q.
And you found him. Right, step through here, please.
Ta usaldab nii kergesti kõiki. Nad lihtsalt ütlevad talle, et mine seisa seal, mine tee seda, mine
Hold still, eyes open.
söö seda, joo teist ja siis tüüp kohe teeb.
What was that?
It's your lenses. They need a little time to calibrate, so you won't see anything just yet. Ah, interesting. Right, follow me. I have something for you. Pick one.
Ossa.
I
Kas ma saan ise
already have
valida
a
või?
watch.
Oh, you do?
Tahan ise valida värvi.
May I see it? Now you get a new one. Now choose one.
What's the difference?
No nii.
This one's maroon. That's navy, burgundy, winter grey.
Ma loodan, et neil on erinevus ainult paelas, on ju. Winter grey, down grey, navy blue, green, grey, maroon. Võtame sinise. Me võtame sinise. On ju? On ju? Chat. Võtame sinise. Me võtame sinise.
Ah, I wouldn't have predicted that, but I suppose it suits you. You're the first recruit to receive one. Give it a moment to calibrate. Switch on the Q lens overlay.
Hold Alt to enter.
Now, use the watch to turn off the two lamps on the table in front of you.
Kuidas? Kolme peab vajutama.
Great work, Bond. With a little practice, it will become second nature. It has a variable active range and a 360 reach angle. To be honest, we haven't tested it to its limit yet. Why don't you give it a try?
Bloody hell. It's never gone off like that
I like it. Don't change a thing.
Oops, it must still be set to my profile. Well done, though. Let me reset your watch to field mode. If it runs out of power mid-mission, you can recharge it from whatever electrical devices are available, such as the battery on the bench there. Montgomery, we need a clean-up
saan
over
raadioga
here.
häkkida.
Right away.
Oota, ta võtab seda akud. Minu all on see. Minu all on see kella see. Kas on vaja lükata mind üles poole või? Kas on need kella... Oota, ma näitan teile. Ma näitan niimoodi. Oota, ma panen ennast korra siia alla. Näed, siukesed, et seal on nagu see aku. Ja siis on mingi asi veel. Kas seda on vaja? Või see on okei, et see jääb sinna minu alla? Lükkan ennast siia tagasi praegu.
Gary, watch out.
Ma ei tea, äkki keegi tahab näha palju mul kellal akud on ja kuhu suunas ma liigun. Seal on ju see kompass nagu. Väga tähtis.
Guessing this is more than a lamp, correct?
Excuse me.
It's also a...
You could add that column in your notes.
Tere.
James Bond. I've been
Nika
monitoring
Bond.
you quite closely.
The last time
Nika
someone
Bond
told me
isiklikult.
that, I had to leave the country in some haste.
Oh, which country?
Which time?
Dr. Selena Tan. I'm in charge of tactical simulations. My department specializes in performance management and skill development. I've been working with Thea on a prototype based on the Iceland incident. Once the system is operational, I'd very much like you to have a go.
Oh, I'm not sure. Ever
Ta
been one
vaatab
for
siukest pilguga
nostalgia?
nagu ta
You're
kahtlustaks
intrigued,
midagi.
admit it. Come and see me after training. I promise you won't be disappointed.
Kogu aeg niimoodi. Aga kuidas ma laadida saan seda nüüd? Nad ei näidanud mulle, kuidas ma kella saan laadida.
First time. Well, every time feels like the first time. Welcome to Q-Lab.
Mida sa... Kus ta on? Kus ta on? Anna ma häkkind ära. Ei saa. Ei see teadma. Saab siin häkkida. Noh, ei saa hakkama või? Peksa ei saa anda.
Still a few kinks to iron out. The smoke released too early this time.
Probably the proximity sensors need recalibrating.
Oota, pane uks kinni.
Run diagnostics.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma panin teile ukse kinni, nüüd keegi ei pääse, ärge muretsege.
Not now, please. I'm in the flow.
Ma ei tahtnudki sinuga rääkida. Ma tahan selle Vanniga rääkida. Lähme missioonile. Ei, oota. Kuidas ma kella saan...
When you're ready to leave, come back and I'll brief you on advanced training.
Jaa, aga kas keegi näitaks mulle, kuidas ma kella saan laadida? Näe. Mingi monitori. Veel või? Ma näppisin mingit monitori ja siis mul tuli juurde seda. Mingit ekraanikest.
Careful, mind the cable.
Mul on vaja veel. Näe battery. Pick up. Siin on veel batterid ju, võta veel. Mul on vaja veel, seal on võt nii palju veel vaja. Savi saame hakkama. Jaa, lähme.
Good to go.
Great. Come on then. Go on, your keys.
For?
Your digs. MI6 is setting you up in
Is it
safe
empty?
houses for the next 6 months. You're with Cressida and Monroe.
So we're not going back to Malta?
I show you this and you want to go back to bunk beds. I'd kill for a place like that. But yes, you'll be going back and forth between MI6 and Malta for advanced training. And when in London, you'll just have to slum it in Bayswater.
Stephen Bright.
Foreign Secretary Bright. Bond.
I was just dropping off a few boxes for Cressida. I hope we'll meet again.
Hey, Bond. Welcome home.
Hey, guys.
Oho.
Hey, Bond.
Kas ma saan tuba endale valida?
Rooms are in the
Või
back.
te juba valisite või?
Left you the worst one. Enter the hall to the left.
Siin on batterid terve hunniku või? Mul ei ole vaja, mul on täis praegu see. Enam-vähem. Ma praegu ei taha kulutada.
Yeah. This corner's just perfect for my training gear. Now go. Get settled. The room's down the hall on the left.
Päris suur maja, kuulge. Oho.
Hey, Cress.
No
Foreign
see on
Secretary
sinu tuba,
Bright is
on
your
ju.
dad.
Minu tuba on siin
I
siis
just
või?
met him at the door.
Yes. Didn't you know? Bond, in here. I've got something for you.
Anne.
What have you got for me?
The key to your room. Obviously, the best room's already taken, but the second best one's still free.
Really?
Yeah. How Monroe makes decisions is a mystery to me. The key's on my desk.
Lähme, võtame siis. Kus on?
Boxing glove?
It's for you. Practically had your name on it.
Is that meant to be a jab?
Bond's room. Oota, kas ainult see või? Rohkem ei saagi valida või? Ma tahan... Malmiaator Tšauki. Tere tulemast. Aitäh päeva südame eest. Et ei. Rohkem ei ole jah valikuid. Rohkem ei ole jah. No okei, lähme võtame selle siis. Ma arvasin, ma saan ise toa endale vähemalt valida. Puhkusega on kõik, jah. Puhkust läks nädal aega kauem kui plaanitud. Ma pidin olema 2 nädalat, aga olude sunnil jäin 3 nädalaks Eestisse.
Yeah, this does beat the bunk beds.
Monroe.
Ma lihtsalt ei saanud
Are you
ära
hacking my
sõita.
laptop again?
Mul lihtsalt üks päev ei läinud auto käima enam. Pidi garantiisse viima. Nii, aga mis ma siin teen siis? Pakin asju lahti, ei saa. Kuid nemad kõik läksid.
What are you up to?
Studster 555 wants to see you again.
Ugh, please.
No,
I
mis me
mean
teeme?
it. Stop it. You're going to break it. Find something else to hack, please.
All right, all right.
Et ta ei ole uus. Ta ei ole uus.
Something to hack.
Boys, someone needs to unpack the kitchen.
Lihtsalt...
What's for dinner?
See oli see... See mul läks meelest ära.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
Nukkuvõlli kett vist või? Aga sellele oli antud lisagarantii veel nagu pikendust. Sellepärast, et tehas teadis, et see on pekkis neil. Ja see läkski meil. Ja aga õnneks nagu tehas teadis, et see on pekkis ja sellel oli veel lisagarantii veel pikendatud kuni 10 aastaks veel. Et noh, ei saa öelda, et jopas, aga Võis jah. See võis minna täiega suureks, see arve. Aga õnneks tehas tunnistas oma viga ja nemad parandasid selle siis oma rahade eest.
Drinking games. I thought we were here to train.
Alcohol tolerance, my fellow recruit. Diligent training required. Bond, you want to try the game? Take this card. Look at it for 10 seconds and try to memorize as much as possible.
No oleneb, kuidas läks võib uus mootor. Ei, nad mootorid ei vahetanud, nad vahetasid ketti ära ainult. Nüüd on korras, vaata, ma olen ju kodus. See on see 0V õli. Mul ei ole õrna aimugi, mis õli mul sinna autosse käib. See auto on käinud ainult, kusjuures jah, tänu sellele, et see auto on käinud ainult esinduses, hoolduses, sai see garantii alla kõik minna. Muidu oleks pidanud kõik ise kinni maksma.
Oh, she does like the finer things in life, our girl.
Siis jään. Mis ma teen? Oota, ma pean rääkima sellega. Naisega. Lähme.
Now you're here, you can help us settle something. I'll just get Monroe. Hey, Monroe. Mind coming to the kitchen?
Coming.
Bond, you'll be the judge. What do you say? This grotesque pastiche of hypermasculine tropes, or this piece massively commanding negative space with a quiet intensity?
In other words, the cool picture or the boring one?
Kas see jälle kuidagi mõjutab edasist asja või? Millist pilti me valime? Kas cool või boring? Cool või boring? Mulle kusjuures algusest peale meeldis ka see boring rohkem.
Close call, but I'll have to go with the painting. Do love a good negative space.
2 against 1, Monroe. Last thing you want in the morning is that nausea-inducing poster attacking your senses.
It'll go up in my room then.
Nii. Exit the mission. Lähme teeme missiooni ära.
Thank God, I'm starving. There's a decent Indian just around the corner.
Mis teha?
There's just enough time before we head back to Malta.
Ta ongi mölakas.
Monroe!
Jaanuar. Debra.
Always do the unexpected. It's the first rule of spycraft. Task is simple. Go in and get the flag. No lethal force is allowed unless the opponent has intent to kill. This may not be real guns, but we still play by those rules. Is that understood?
Ei, kõik on kontrolli all, kõik on hästi.
Your first Cressida Monroe will be your radio support.
Me oleme treeningul.
Try not to embarrass yourself.
Earpieces in, boys. What's our strategy?
Just have to wing it, won't we?
Greenway emphasized our code of conduct.
Mina lähen
So
esimesena.
this exercise must be about testing how good we are with the new equipment from Q-Lab. Natural thinking and all that.
With that watch, you'll run circles around those grunts.
In position.
Good luck.
Nii, selle peab, seda ma tean, see tuleb ära häkkida. See on easy. Mul on patakaid vaja.
Entering now.
Oota.
Here we go.
This is it, Bond. Get that
Yeah.
flag.
Remember your training, mate. You got this.
Võta.
You've got your Q-lens. Use it.
Good thinking staying low.
Oota, ma pean natuke mõtlema. Ma pean sinna üles saama. Mul ajalist piirangut ei ole, on ju.
Stick to the playbook and they won't stand a chance.
Nii. Võtame maha ta või? Oota, aga kas ma saan ta...
Remember our code of conduct. Don't shoot until absolutely necessary.
Aga kas ma teda lohistada ei saa või? Mul oleks vaja teda lohistada.
Keep it up, Bond.
Niimoodi ei saa nagu...
My choice exactly.
Oi. Nagu Hitmanis päris ei saa. Aja!
Good thinking with the grades.
Ma arvasin, et ma saan sinna vahele. See näeb. Ei tohi maha võtta. Oota. Nii kaugelt ei võtta.
They're about to see you, Bond. Stop messing. No. You daft little muck.
Hey, if it works, it works.
Pekis! Istu rohu sisse! Istu rohu sisse! Sain surma. Retri. Kust maalt me alustame nüüd? Kas ta vahepeal salvestas kuskil? Ma loodan. Ära kinni ju. Täiesti otsast peale või?
Here we go.
This is it, Bond. Get that flag.
Remember your training, mate. You got this.
Proovime teiselt poolt.
Don't forget your Q-lens, Bond.
Okei, proovime siis teiselt poolt.
Good thinking staying low.
Nii. Kuidas ma saaks seda tüüpi siit ära meelitada? Kas mul on midagi või? Mis ma teha saan? Niimoodi. Mine vaata nüüd! Okei, ma võtan su maha. Ise tead.
That's it, mate. Silent but violent.
Pick up.
Remember our code of conduct. Don't shoot until absolutely necessary.
What?
Nii. Nüüd see tüüp tuleb vaatama, kus ta sõber on. Ja siis me võtame teda ka maha.
Me, what you doing?
What you doing? Pikutab, näed, väsind on.
What's going on?
Oops.
Wait!
Never heard you coming.
Good choice moving right. I'd have done the same. I know exactly how I'm going to play this on my run.
Yeah. Üles. Pean vaatama. Ahah. natuke päterid juurde.
Oh! I'm gonna break your nose.
Hey, if it works, it works. Go for it, Bond.
Let's have a look.
Meil on vist pekkis.
If you don't move, they'll clock you.
We need help here.
Hello? Yes, there's a madman down here.
Pekkis!
Head down. Point me. Need a fire.
Take the damn shot!
Right on the mark.
Mine alla, mine alla!
Face you scumbag.
Alla mine! Issand jumal, sa saad alla mindud või ei või?
Yeah, run for it, chicken.
He's disappeared. I can't see him.
Kükte.
Eyes on the prize, mate.
Start searching.
You can count on it.
Lähme rohu sisse kiiresti.
Watch it.
That's him.
Bam.
Move.
You made it to the tower.
Ma olen rohu sees, sa ei näe mind.
What's that?
Ma olen rohu sees, sa ei näe.
You going down.
Ah,
There he is. He's mine for the taking.
meil on natukene pekkis siin.
Below. Go after him.
I'm gonna die.
Way out. You're finished. Cover.
Look, he's up there.
Aga miks nemad võivad mind tulistada, aga mina ei või? Kuidas see töötab?
He's right over here.
They didn't expect that to happen.
Kus see kuradi lipp on?
I've lost sight of him.
He disappeared into the plants.
Ära tule veel, ära tule rohkem lähemale.
Don't
Stay
let
there,
him
and
escape.
they'll spot
Find
you.
him.
Eyes open.
Kus see lipp on? Seal. Pikkis. Jookse!
Target identified.
He's nearby.
Jookse!
Got eyes on you. Get moving. Mine for the taking.
Oi, oi.
Up above. We've got him.
Right in my sights. Advancing all time. Shot locked in.
Mul on veel üles vaja. Ma näen.
I'll take him down.
Siit. Ma kohe saan selle lipu, ma kohe saan. Siit.
Too easy.
Olemas. Nägite?
Again.
Lihtsalt tuimalt joostes saab ka.
Establishing a baseline is the first thing they'll want to do. Answer truthfully. What's your name?
James Bond.
How old are you?
26.
That's our baseline.
26.
Now watch this.
Päris noor.
You don't like me, do you?
No, I don't.
Well, this is awkward. But the line is flat, so he's telling the truth. Small initial waves just before shows that he's under some duress picking his answer. Let's try again. Do you think telling me you don't like me will affect my ability to judge you objectively?
Jesus.
This should be interesting. I think you won't allow me to get under your skin.
Cagey phrasing like that fools no one. Might as well call me incompetent to my face. You miss your parents?
None of your business.
But you would agree that being orphaned at a young age has left you rudderless and unable to finish anything meaningful.
No.
Are you offended? You think I've overstepped? You do realize that the people who put you in that chair in real life, they won't play fair.
Dig in.
I can't believe you made it out.
Oh, yes, it was very dangerous.
Bond. We're waiting.
Pub?
Archives.
Are you comfortable?
Thank you. I am.
Let's calibrate. What's your name?
Cressida Bright.
Eye color?
Pale blue-grey.
Okay, that's a solid baseline. Now, start spinning porkies, Cress.
Ready? Here we go.
Name.
What's your name?
Rosie Poole.
Wow, nothing. Try something harder.
Cressida, does it bother you to be such a Nepo baby?
Don't be absurd. My parents are serving time for embezzlement. I had to change my name because of it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the Foreign Secretary isn't doing time at the moment. But speaking of your dad, isn't it true that you're choosing your career just to spite him?
I don't have a career and I never will. I consider my time best spent supporting my husband and his.
Tradwife and no spike. You'll have to do better to trip her up, Bond.
And tell me, Cressida, did I see you checking out Monroe at the fridge this morning?
What? No, that is not fair, Bond.
What?
She fancies you, mate.
Why didn't you just say so?
Before you use these gadgets in the field, it's important you understand how they work. These phones do more than just make calls. Bond, Ronson, please pick up a phone and load up from the chemicals on the workbench.
Can't wait.
Go on, guys, try it out.
Here we go. Come on, Ronson.
Glad it's not me.
It will be next.
Found what I need.
Splendid.
Come on, Bond.
Ronson, step into the red square. Bond, step into... the human equivalent of a stray shopping trolley.
oota, mul on.
Well, this is going to suck.
Mis ma tegema pean?
Bond, whenever you're ready.
Sorry, Ronson. Nothing personal.
nii. Neli.
Nausea, dizziness, and disorientation. The target's balance is affected, making it impossible for them to remain standing in one place. Perfect for when you need someone out of your way.
Shit.
Lihtsalt natukene upgrade itud.
Given your current inability to listen to my guidance, it is not. Bond, you're up.
You'll get there, mate.
I don't know. I need some air.
You can't control the target, Monroe, but you can learn to control you. Bond, pick up the gun and hit the target.
Sounds simple enough.
Kas kuidagimoodi saab E?
Slow yourself.
Ma ei oska. Ma vajutan.
Better. Again. Skill or pure dumb luck? Let's find out.
No, it doesn't work if I tap it only once. I need to tap it all the time.
Again.
I tried to tap it only once and it didn't work. Don't be mad.
I can't believe you pulled that trick on me.
Always do the unexpected. Fast through the spycraft.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, I mean, you still beat me.
Well, of course. But still.
Early day tomorrow. Catch the flag at daybreak. SAS are prepping for it now. Suggest you get some rest.
I remember when Sundays were Sundays.
Yeah. Hey, listen, why don't we just take tomorrow off?
I wish.
I'm serious.
Ei saa
We
ju.
go get the flag now. Have a well-deserved rest tomorrow.
That's actually not a bad idea.
What? You want to do this, Chris?
First for the spycraft? Greenway can't possibly object.
They're gonna stand there all night.
Leave them to me, boys. Earpiece is in. Let me know when you're through. Hey, guys.
What are you doing here? Let's go.
Listen, I know you guys don't like to be humiliated on the courses, but if you choose
Steals
to
the
use
flag.
our superiority, we're actually...
Stiilime selle homme. Algus tehtud. Puhkuselt tagasi. Hakkame vaikselt sinna laivide lainele tagasi minema. Ja jätkame homme. Mäng tundub väga pikk, seega jõuame kõike teha. Suur aitäh teile. Aitäh, et ei unustanud, et tulite, et olite likeide eest ja päevasüdamete eest, toetuse eest. Ilusat laupäeva õhtut ja tšauki!